National Electrical Code Section 680.23 BONE dictates the requirements for raceways containing electrical conductors for spas, hot tubs, and swimming pools. According to this section, these raceways must be metallic. This requirement extends to the wiring from the electrical panel to the shut-off switch for the spa. However, there are exceptions to this rule. Exception 1 to 680.23 BONE permits the use of non-metallic raceways for a portion of the raceway run underground. If the raceway is entirely above ground, this exception does not apply. Exception 2 to 680.23 BONE allows the use of non-metallic raceways where the raceway is listed for the application. If the spa is factory finished, this exception typically does not apply. Therefore, based on the National Electrical Code, metallic conduit is required for the entire run of wiring from the panel to the shutoff, irrespective of whether the wiring is run inside or outside. This is because the spa is factory finished and includes a light, which is considered an integral part of the electrical system. The use of metallic conduit ensures proper grounding and electrical safety, minimizing the risk of electrical shock and fire hazards. Adhering to these code requirements is crucial for ensuring the safe and compliant installation of the spa's electrical system. Understanding these specific code requirements is essential for anyone involved in the installation or maintenance of electrical systems for spas and hot tubs.